Welcome to our WOW DIY series. Today we will learn how to make your own magic sand. This substance appears to magically stay dry when poured into water. To complete this experiment, you'll need some clean sand, no more than 2 cups. You'll need waterproofing spray like this Scotch Guard. Because of this, you'll want to work in a well-ventilated area away from where food is prepared. It's also a good idea to put down newspaper to protect your surfaces. You'll need a bowl and a disposable plastic spoon to mix up your ingredients. You'll also need a pan, tray, or a cookie sheet for your sand to dry on. Disposable materials are best. Otherwise, you will need some tin foil or some saran wrap. Now, the magic behind this sand is actually nanotechnology. Nanotechnology, or nanotech, refers to any science, engineering, or technology that's conducted at the nanoscale, which is about 1 to 100 nanometers. To give you an idea of how small that is, a human hair is 75,000 nanometers in diameter. But don't let the size fool you. Some things are small but mighty. There are examples of nanotech around us every day. For example, some of the protective coatings on our phone screens and glasses are only nanometers thick. These sort of coatings alter and improve the natural properties of the material. We can do our own coating experiment to better understand what this means and how it works. Always remember you should check with an adult before you try any of our activities. Let's get started. First, you want to line your bowl and your tray with tin foil in order to protect it. Next, you want to measure out your sand and pour it in the bowl. I'm only going to use 1/3 cup. Begin to spray the sand with waterproofing spray. You'll want to mix it around in order to be sure it's all evenly coated. Finally, spread the coated sand onto a pan to dry overnight. We can get rid of the spoon now, as it's no longer good to eat with. Now let's experiment. I made this batch yesterday. Sand is made of a substance called silica. This material is water-loving or hydrophilic. It sticks to water. Just like the scientists that created the coatings on our phones, we've changed the natural properties of this sand by coating it with the waterproofing spray, so it becomes water-fearing, or hydrophobic. Now it repels water. We hope you enjoyed this activity. Be sure to clean up all of your materials when you are done. If you want to learn more about the science behind this activity, you can search things like thin film coatings, nanoparticles, and LEDs. For more fun DIY activities, visit us at wpafbstem.com. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.